What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting, or ZBB, is a budgeting method that requires all expenses to be justified for each new period starting from a zero base. This approach contrasts with traditional budgeting, which typically adjusts previous budgets based on incremental changes. In ZBB, no expenses are automatically included. Instead, every function within an organization must be analyzed for its needs and costs. This ensures that only necessary expenditures are funded. One of the key features of zero-based budgeting is the requirement for justification of expenses. Each expense must be justified in every budgeting cycle, regardless of whether it is a recurring cost or a new expenditure. This focus on efficiency allows organizations to allocate funding based on necessity rather than historical spending patterns. It helps to identify and eliminate unnecessary costs. Additionally, ZBB is closely tied to an organization's strategic goals, allowing for better resources allocations aligned with priorities. There are several advantages to using zero-based budgeting. First, it promotes cost control by encouraging a thorough examination of all expenses. This can lead to significant cost savings and more efficient resources use. Second, by starting from zero, organizations can adapt their budgets to reflect changing priorities and conditions. This flexibility prevents them from being constrained by past spending. Lastly, the requirement for justification enhances accountability among managers and department heads, as they must defend their budget requests. However, there are also disadvantages to consider. The detailed analysis required for ZBB can make the budgeting process more time-consuming compared to traditional methods. Organizations may face challenges in gathering the necessary data and justifying expenses effectively, complicating the budgeting process. Furthermore, if not managed carefully, the rigorous security of expenses can negatively impact employee morale and organizational culture. This is especially true if essential but less quantifiable functions are cut. In conclusion, zero-based budgeting is a powerful financial management tool that can help organizations optimize their spending and align resources with strategic objectives. While it offers significant benefits in terms of cost control and efficiency, its implementation requires careful planning and consideration of potential drawbacks. As businesses navigate complex financial landscape, ZBB provides a framework for making informed budgeting decisions that prioritizes value and necessity. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.